so terrified. I felt so helpless.
It's all right. The nightmare is over.
You have to understand, for the people who love you, watching you be in that much rage and pain is really scary.
Every day, more and more people die. I'm already 100 years late. Defeating the Fire Lord is the only way to stop this war. I have to try it.
I can't watch you do this to yourself.